So hi all, welcome to our YouTube channel. In the previous video, we saw how to reshape a particular matrix using Numpy. In this particular video, we'll be talking about what? We'll be talking about how to create a automate ones and zeros matrix using Numpy. We also have a website with the same name, datamahadev.com, where you can basically search for articles related to artificial intelligence, concepts related to artificial intelligence, data science, machine learning, deep learning, natural language processing, Python development, etc. And computer vision as well. So this is what it is. Just a second. All right. So this is what it is. So in this video, we'll see how to automate ones and zeros matrix. So let us see how to automate ones and zeros matrix. All you need to do is that you need to import numpy as np first of all. All right. And you need to do what? You need to basically just it is very simple. Just the function is dot ones. All right. Take a variable, let's say a is equal to np dot ones, and you need to enter what? You need to enter the shape. Let's say you want to create a ones matrix, all ones matrix of shape 5 comma 5. Just press enter and all the ones matrix will be created. If you check its shape, a dot shape, it will show you as what? It will show you as 5 comma 5. So this is what it is. As you can see, all ones matrix has been created. np dot ones, just write the shape, or you can play around with it. Right, 3 comma 5, it will create a matrix of 3 comma 5. Right, 4 comma 5, it will create a ones matrix of 4 comma 5. So it is up to you to create. Similarly, we'll see how to automate zeros matrix. Let us take b, np dot zeros. All right, parentheses in square brackets 5 comma 5, or 10. Let us take 10 comma 10. All right, b, print b, all zeros matrix has been created. B dot shape, you can check just to cross check that whether the matrix is 10 comma 10 or not. Instead of counting and wasting your time, just automate it with b dot shape, and a matrix has been created, zeros matrix has been created, and you can play around with the data also. So this is what it is. So this is how we create np dot ones and np dot zeros matrix. All right, so this is what it is. Thanks a lot. Do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.